Good morning everyone. Today we are the students of Team-AAKM here to represent our idea for Buildathon 2025. Our idea is to use hydrogen as a fuel for the cars. Hydrogen, as you all know, is the lightest and most abundant element in the universe. When used as a fuel, it is called a clean fuel because the only byproduct is pure water vapors. This makes it an eco-friendly alternative to petrol and diesel. Transportation, as we all know, is one of the biggest contributors to the carbon emission. A normal petrol cars emits around 4.6 tons of carbon dioxide every year, whereas a hydrogen fuel cell vehicle produces zero tailpipe emissions, only water. If we produce hydrogen from renewable energy sources like solar or wind, it becomes green hydrogen, making it a fully sustainable. There are many advantages of this. Hydrogen cars can have several benefits. They emit no pollutants, refuel in just 3 to 5 minutes, and can travel over 600 kilometers on a full tank. They are also quieter and perform well in even cold conditions.
However, there are still some challenges. Hydrogen storage tanks, production is expensive, and refueling stations are still limited. Moreover, the energy efficiency of hydrogen is still less than the battery car. Despite these challenges, hydrogen is already in cars like Hyundai, Maruti, as well as the buses, trucks, and even prototypes like aircraft can use them.
To conclude all this, hydrogen represents a powerful step towards the carbon neutral future with continued research, post-military, and investment in infrastructure. Hydrogen can revolutionize transportation, giving us green mobility without compromising